Welcome, Everlong is a REALME 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from settings right here at the bottom you'll find the Do Not Disturb. Let's tap on that, and from here we're gonna start off with actually setting up a automatic rule for it. So number one, days. Let's go into days and choose the days that we want it to work in. Now for this particular example I'm gonna set it up as though it's gonna be a work do not disturb mode, so Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, kind of like a typical working job. So let's go select all the days that I want it to be affected in, go back and start time. I'm gonna go 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. and there we go. So that's set. Then you have allow notifications, so you can choose to allow this when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Allow messages from, so we can tap on here and have a couple options. So you have disallow all, so no one can really message you from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this. Only from contacts, and shared contacts only, which are favorites. So choose the one that you want, and then calls have, well, the exact same options right here. So you can go back there, and then ring if repeat caller calls, and this is a neat option that basically allows you to allow a call as long as they have called you twice within a 3-minute period. So if someone really wants to reach you for some emergency purposes, they will usually spam call, so they will probably fit in that 3-minute period if something has happened that they really need to get your attention. So this is a nice thing to enable and have it just there, and if someone really wants to reach you, they will be able to. So the way this would work is the first time they call, they will actually be you will not see anything or hear, but the second time it will go as though Do Not Disturb mode is disabled only for that specific person. So, and it also bypasses whatever you have set right here. So if you have shared contacts only, if the person is on your contacts, it doesn't matter that you have set shared contacts only, it will still go. So from here we're basically set. So you have the automatic enable automatically, and time set, week set, and everything, and that's about it. You can now leave, and it will be automatically turning on and off at the set times and days. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.